Title: What survives when money fails? HOOK mystery and challenge. What if you woke up tomorrow and your money meant nothing? Not low value, no value. Your savings, your salary, your numbers on a screen, gone. History tells us this isn't a fantasy. It's happened before again and again. The real question isn't why money fails, it's what survives when it does. Setting the stage, background and tease. For thousands of years, money has taken many forms: shells, silver, gold, paper, and now digital code. Empires trusted it. Citizens built their lives around it. From ancient Rome to modern nations, financial systems promised stability but quietly carried the seeds of collapse. And every time money failed, something unexpected stepped in to replace it. Origins: how the system begins. Most monetary systems start strong. Rome's silver denarius once ruled trade. In the 20th century, paper currencies backed by gold inspired confidence. Money worked because people believed in it. That belief powered trade, wages, and governments. RISE expansion and dependence. As economies grew, governments printed more money, borrowed more, and promised more. Debt increased. Currencies expanded faster than real goods. Prosperity looked permanent, but it wasn't. The system became fragile, held together by trust alone. Breaking point: when money fails, then came the snap. In Weimar Germany, hyperinflation made bread cost wheelbarrows of cash. In Zimbabwe, trillion-dollar bills bought nothing. In Venezuela, salaries collapsed within weeks. Money didn't just lose value, it lost meaning. Fallout: what replaced money? When money failed, people didn't stop trading. They adapted. Barter returned. Skills mattered more than currency. Food, fuel, medicine, and trust became the new wealth. Farmers, mechanics, doctors, those with real-world value survived best. Failed fixes, attempts to save it, governments tried price controls, new currencies, more printing. Most fixes failed because they treated symptoms, not causes. Without trust and real production, money couldn't recover. Modern parallels: why this matters now. Today, global debt is over $300 trillion. Currencies are created digitally at record speed. Inflation is rising worldwide. The pattern is familiar. Different tools, same risks.